Delicious versus healthy. It is constant search for a balance in any kitchen. And actually, it is a central challenge in modern nutrition. We strive to eat in a way that both replenishes our body and with essential nutrients and also brings us pleasure. After all, without that component, any dietary system is doomed. Humanity has come up with an elegant and powerful tool for this: flavor enhancers. Many people are afraid of that term, and that's understandable since most are only familiar with the synthetic invention MSG, monosodium glutamate. However, there are other completely healthy and beneficial solutions, and they are ones everyone knows: spices. Humanity has been using them for hundreds of years to enhance the pleasure of eating. But that's not the only modern healthy solution. As biochemistry has been developing, we've been able to refine not only our taste receptors, but also the tools we use to satisfy them. And today I want to tell you about a healthy alternative to both MSG and spices. Today we will talk about liquid aminos. And if you haven't heard of them, then as your biohacker, I'll be happy to expand your knowledge of healthy and modern cuisine. Liquid aminos are concentrated solutions, most often either soy or coconut based, that give dishes that deep, rich umami flavor. They can transform a simple vegetable soup or boring stewed vegetables into a dish with a rich flavor, as if it were prepared by a chef in a restaurant. Amino acids are what protein is made of, and we all know that protein is the main building block to our entire body. However, an important point from a nutritional perspective is that culinary liquid aminos are not a source of protein to meet our daily quota. The aminos we use for flavor are minuscule. Think of it more as a conductor for your flavor orchestra, not the orchestra itself. Their job is to make healthy food taste delicious, not to cover your body's protein needs. And the most interesting part of it, amino acids are biochemically tough. It makes them a nearly perfect culinary tool. There are some myths about them being fragile and that nothing nutritious goes to your body and it is killed while cooking or eating. So let's break them down through the language of science. First, their stability. A good tool must be reliable, and in that respect, amino acids are a model of stability. When heated, protein changes its shape, and this is called denaturation. However, denaturation doesn't equal to destruction. Heat treatment causes complex proteins to denature and their structure unfolds, which is actually beneficial for our digestion. But the amino acids themselves, those basic building blocks, remain whole and unharmed, and to destroy an amino acid molecule, you need a temperature of over 200 degrees. In normal, healthy cooking processes, you will never reach these values. Therefore, when you add liquid amino acids to a hot soup or sauce, their beneficial properties are preserved. Be sure. The second myth is about our stomach and what happens there. There is a common belief that stomach acid, which is essentially hydrochloric acid, destroys all the benefits of the amino acids that enter it. In reality, however, the exact opposite happens. The stomach's job is precisely to break down complex proteins from food into free-form amino acids. And when they enter the stomach, they simply skip the long digestion stage, effectively taking a shortcut, and are sent on almost instantly where they are quickly absorbed. This means that for ready-made amino acids, the stomach is not a destroyer or an obstacle. So be sure that everything will be saved in your cuisine while cooking amino acids. One crucial thing: some people have heard about amino acids in connection with sports, but don't confuse culinary amino acids with sport amino acids complexes. Sports products are designed for one purpose: the fastest possible delivery of nutrients to the muscles. Their main advantages are speed and quantity, and when taking amino acids complexes, you can indeed meet the body's daily norm. However, mixing them with food means intentionally slowing down the absorption and robbing them of their main purpose, the speed of reaching the muscles. It's like buying a sport car to stand in traffic. Nothing but waste of fuel. Let's sum up. The modern tools in cooking for improving the taste of homemade dishes are liquid acids, and that's for sure. They are your professional tool for solving the constant problem: tasty versus healthy. They create a rich flavor without extra salt or chemical additives. They're not a significant source of protein for sure, but they serve as a functional seasoning. Their structure is resistant to both cooking heat and stomach acid. Feel free to use them to enrich the flavor of your dishes, and remember, there are other sources of replenishing your protein daily norm. If you enjoyed this information and would like a recipe, a delicious tofu with amino acids, as well as links to where and what amino acids to buy for cooking, sign up to this account and share this video with your friends, and we will send you a liquid amino acids guide. Stay up to date with technologies, be on trend, and be with us. There is a lot of interesting and useful information on this channel.